All right, coming back, almost bit ass. Oh yeah, big man. They're coming along, aren't they?
Still have more.
Some more down there too.
Some more. Yeah. See, I told you how we have a lot.
Man, look at the size of these, man.
Look at this side.
Look at that guy.
Don't touch too hard. Look at this side. All the way.
Oh my God, those are huge, man. Look at that.
How many you looking for? They're the big cubes on the bottom.
Man, look at that, all the way down.
Yeah.
Man, we got a lot. These came out perfect, babe. Just like I wanted.
The guy that he working, he just keep touching. I said, do not touch it. I said, I'm the owner. I don't even have one yet.
Or this guy,
So
we
it's
cut
all
that
the-
little one off.
This
But,
one is get bigger because we have all the water. on
yeah,
the side.
probably.
Yeah. So you have new one. So I tell her whatever the stick outside, they put it back. So see, we
Yeah.
totally inside our fence. Do not let
Yeah.
it put outside. I say.
This whole fence line will be covered and make it look really nice. Not so, have a little bit more privacy and not so jail-like. Oh shit. Yeah. That's a steep hill. Yeah, and then our small house. That's the tour.